What is up and welcome to a banger. I'm talking about a banger on the Air on the Move YouTube channel. Y'all done seen the title. Y'all seen the thumbnail. Y'all seen it. Yes, we are racing next year. XC, MOXC, Michigan Outlaws, something. Drawing a blank right now. But anyways, so yeah, that's what we're doing. So we gotta get this bad boy ready because she need a little bit of work. So far, I put the little bark busters on there. Ain't trying to bust a hand up, but forget about me. I gotta get the bike ready so it don't get beat up. So you know what we got? DRW K-Saver. Yep, that's what we doing. We about to put that on today. But before we do that, I got a surprise for y'all. So stay tuned for that. Real quick, we're gonna cut to that. Peace. All right, here's a surprise. We got our own website, baby. We dropping merch. So here it is. We're gonna cut. I'm gonna flip the camera to the front so y'all can see what's going on here. Run through everything. Show what we got. Link will be here. Click on it and buy something. All right, so here's the first design here. Love this color, by the way. Simple, Air on the Move, YouTube on the front. Got something on the back of it too. Here we go. Got the quad on the back, Air on the Move. I love it. And these come in multiple colors. Good stuff here. This was simple, Air on the Move on the front. Got something on the back on there too. Logo. Michigan made, baby. You already know. And here's another one. And this is where we get into the good stuff here. Yeah. Big 450 gang on the front, Air on the Move. In my driveway. Got it on there. Here's another one. Hoodies. Hoodies on there too. Check them out. Got the TRX OG Warrior. She's there. Hold on. And I think the last one is just the TRX driveway in a hoodie again. But hey, that's what they are. Check it out. Hit the Teespring at the bottom. Good stuff. T-shirts, they run about a half size small. So I'd say get a size bigger on the t-shirts. But the hoodies, they run great. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to support. Check them out. All right, let's get to building this thing. Well, let's get to putting the skid plate on. All right, let's get this bad boy unpackaged. Lots of tape here. Cut to the side here. And see what comes in one when you buy a DRW skid plate. More good, right? Got some mounting points here. All poly here. Stickers, gotta have those. And I think that's it. So let's get the bike up on the back and let's figure out how we gotta mount this thing. Cause it don't come with no instructions, so I guess I'm on my own. I'm gonna talk a little bit. Yours first. Alright, for starters, it looks like I'm gonna have to take this little factory one off, so let's try to get that off here. That's a 10 mil, by the way. We won't be reusing these screws. The new one comes with new hardware that will take care of this here. And this thing, and the drain plug. We just did oil change. If you didn't see that video, check that out. Show you how to do an oil change on one of these bad boys. So, it's gonna go something like this here. Yep. It's gonna bend and flip right back on into there. They're gonna start at the top and work our way down. All right, we're gonna start at the top. Looks like this one goes here. Feed it through. Let's find something to screw this thing in with. That might help. All right, here we go. We lost it. All right, there we go. Cut. I think that'll do it there. Next one's gonna. Get the other. Alright, what I've realized here so far is leave everything loose. We still got to get these ones down here at the bottom, but we also got some here in the middle that we got to get. And these ones are going to go in that hole where I pulled the old ones out of. Try to start stuff by hand first. Look at it. There we go. Some traction there. That's there. All right, let's get these middle ones in. There we go, got some traction there. There we go. Just tighten everything back up and we're all done here. Top-notch protection here. Don't want any rattling. I'm trying to figure that out. Make sure she's nice and solid. That is good there. And just like that, that is a wrap. And that is how you install a DRW skid plate. Thanks for watching. Be sure, check out some of that merch. Still time to get some before Christmas. Buy something for a loved one. You never know. I'll drop a discount